what do you see as the next steps in the evolution of municipal surveillance? Where do you see camera technologies for cities going?
Well, it's mobility. Right now, we were limited before for power source and to a fixed location. Now, because of the rapid deployment and the changing environment and the use across all public safety disciplines, now you're having portable rapid cameras which has self-contained batteries, or for a long-term, say if you have a landslide or you have a train derailment, you can't have your helicopter staying up there for 3 or 4 days while you're addressing the situation. So you're seeing light towers, remote video surveillance light towers that help for power emergency first responders electronic equipment. You can also in real time relay that situation awareness and that video feed back to your command center. And say if it's also a hazardous material situation, you don't have to have the canary in the mine shaft. You actually have video situation without a live human being there before you can, put protection gear on.
And there's been a lot of talk at the conference about drones. People potentially scared of the use of drones. Potentially law enforcement, public safety using drones. Are drones something that you would consider implementing, or is that something that's still a little ways out?
There's definitely utility there. We're very much interested, but at this time we're actually seeing other disciplines or even the private sector such as Amazon and what the FCC does on the regulations. To have a small drone going into a building and understanding if there's life in there that needs to be saved, or if you have the drones over a wide area instead of a helicopter or fixed winged aircraft. Of course, it's about efficiency and effectiveness, but there's some regulations that still have to be worked out.
And finally, Sam, what do you see as the biggest hurdle facing cities that want to expand their surveillance network, and how would you recommend that they overcome some of these challenges?
The biggest challenge that every city has to address is one, what is the vision and the mission? You have to identify the funding source and the maintenance source. These are comprehensive programs, and it's not a short term. I use the term of an iceberg. It's not, you see the camera on the tip, but there's a whole infrastructure that has to go behind it to support that information with the camera security. What has helped us all tremendously in every city is our public-private partnerships. Our private, they have more cameras than we do. Now with IP and network situations, if you have the hierarchy, everyone's able to expand. As you stated at the beginning, we're expanding by leaps and bounds because of our partnerships.